Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be building a stand for this here chop saw. This is a carbide tip cold cut saw. I started using this a couple years ago versus the normal abrasive saws like everybody uses. These are a little more money. The blades are expensive, but they cut clean, they cut fast, and they last a pretty good while. And I don't think I'll ever go back to a regular abrasive blade versus this. But here's what we're going to be working with. Our main table is going to be 6 foot long, and we're going to build like a 2 foot by 2 foot trough for the saw to set in. Then we'll have 2 foot over here for the cut material, and then this is kind of how we're going to have our braces spaced out: 1 foot, 2 foot, 1.5, 1.5. And we're going to be building this with a 1.5 inch square tubing. This I believe is 14 gauge. Well, I guess next thing is let's get to the cutting. Here we go. We're gonna start cutting out the braces, or the main tabletop part. These are gonna be 6 foot lengths. Alright, so this is basically what it's going to be like. I gotta get all these ends grinded up and cleaned up. That's going to be the part where the cut metal goes. This is going to be the little tray for the saw, and this will be the where the majority of the material sits. Alright, we'll see you back in a few minutes when we're tacking this all together. Alright guys, now we're going to start cleaning up all the corners of these welds and tubing, and we're going to get them ready to weld. Alright guys, we got it square. I'm gonna go tack it up, and then we'll be back. I'm not gonna film me welding because I don't have a guard for my phone, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright you guys, got this all welded out. What I ended up doing was I had some 2x2 square tubing that I laid flat and then kind of rested this on it, so I'd make sure that it stays true to each other, like side to side. Hopefully that works out. But yeah, got this all laid out and welded up. The next video we'll put the legs on it, the gussets, flip it over, and then we'll weld the bottom side. Well, technically this is the bottom side because it's upside down right now, but that'll be the little tray that the saw sits in. This will be where the material gets loaded. That'll be the little table part for the drops.